Hey everyone, Tim Schofield here. I'm excited for this video. I haven't upgraded my home theater setup in a little while, and here's a couple great options to do so with the Stream TV Soundbar and Stream TV Soundbar Pro. Both are from Verizon. Big thanks to Verizon for sponsoring this video and sending over both of these soundbars for us to check out and compare. Now, what makes these soundbars so great is that it's a 2-in-1 entertainment solution. So not only does it provide great audio, which is by Bang and Olufsen, side note, but also you can connect your other devices to it, such as your Blu-ray player, gaming systems, and you have access to all of your favorite streaming apps and a lot more, which we'll talk about in the video. Now we're going to unbox both of these soundbars, take a quick look at what comes inside, set them up, and then of course compare, talk about the features that they have. Let's get started. Here are the Verizon Stream TV Soundbar and Soundbar Pro. On the box lets you know it has Chromecast built in and both have 4K UHD support. Opening the Stream TV Soundbar Pro first, there is that Verizon logo, and it says to pull this out. This is actually our first difference. This is a wall template. Because of the Soundbar Pro, you can actually wall mount. If interested, just a quick look at that template showing you exactly how to wall mount and where to drill the holes. We also get a box with the accessories, information on how to set up our sound bar. Inside here is our power cable, which actually does look fairly long, so happy to see that. You also get an HDMI cable here, which is HDMI Premium. We've got our remote for our soundbar. We'll go a little more detail on this. There's even a feature so that you don't lose this remote. Then a little box right here. Everything you need to mount that soundbar if you so choose, with wall screws, holding hooks, wall anchors, and you even get 3 cable clips for cable management. And inside the box of the Stream TV Soundbar, very similar, just a couple differences. The same remote. The power brick is just a little bit different. You actually get a brick as opposed to just that longer cable. You get the HDMI cable and 3 of the cable clips for the cable management. And here is what you came to see: the Stream TV Soundbar up top and Stream TV Soundbar Pro down below. Obviously a little bit different design, a little bit more round on the soundbar, and the Pro model a little bit more rectangular and flat. Definitely want to mention the Stream TV Soundbar Pro has Bang & Olufsen design and co-branding. So overall, just a more premium looking soundbar in my opinion. Quickly taking a closer look on the soundbar, it says audio by Bang & Olufsen on the left there. Moving towards the middle, there's some controls: play, pause, skip, and go back, and also controlling the volume. And then in the bottom right hand corner, you've got your Verizon logo. On the left side, a Bluetooth button and a Find My Remote button. We'll talk more about that in just a second. Down at the bottom is a ton of grip, so it's not going to slide anywhere while you have it set up. And in terms of ports, our power slot, a USB and LAN port. Really nice. If you don't feel like using the Wi-Fi 6 built in, you can connect it via Ethernet. And then along the right side there is our HDMI out, which will connect to the TV, and 2 HDMI ports for external video devices. And a close look at the very premium looking Stream TV Soundbar Pro. You'll notice that Bang & Olufsen co-branding. Up at the top is actually a touch display with controls. We'll show off more once I get it plugged in and set up. Down at the bottom, you've got more grip. So again, it doesn't slide around. And of course, your slots if you do decide to wall mount this soundbar. This cover does pop off, revealing our various ports. On the left side, just power and a reset button. And then on the right side is where you have all of those HDMI slots. You actually have 3 HDMI ports, USB and Ethernet slot. But again, the big difference being that extra HDMI port you have for those external devices. Running through the setup process was the same on both soundbars, and quick and easy. Just connect to the Wi-Fi, sign into your accounts, and you can go through and install the various apps that you want. After the setup process, it brings us to the homepage with the Stream TV UI, which has some various shortcuts. We can go over to a trending tab to see what other people are watching, see what's popular now. There's even a store if you're looking to rent movies or TV shows, and then you can go over to all of your most popular streaming apps that you have downloaded on the soundbars. I'm really pleased with the selection of the apps. It has every single app that I look for in my streaming services, even music streaming services. And then on top of that, I also noticed they do have some games you can play. You also have access to a TVOD catalog with a guide to free live streaming TV channels, and they have a ton of them, and all different sorts of categories like sports, comedy, movies, TV shows. Really nice that it's built in. And also for Verizon content, it takes the metadata from that content and switches the sound profile based on what you're watching. So if you're watching a movie, it will put the movie sound profile on, or sports, and all different types of sound profiles. And speaking of, you can go through and manually switch to different ones, but also customize your own. So really nice that you can switch the bass, the treble, and other things on these great sounding sound bars. And when it comes to sound, with the Stream TV Soundbar and Soundbar Pro, you can't go wrong with either. Both of them sound great. They also have Dolby Atmos virtual surround sound tuned by Bang and Olufsen. And with that being said, another difference these two have is that sound quality. As I'm sure you could have guessed, the Stream TV Soundbar Pro does sound better and a little bit more premium than the Soundbar. Now this sound difference makes sense because of the hardware in both of them. The Stream TV Soundbar has 5 total speakers, 3 full range, and 2 woofers, whereas the Stream TV Soundbar Pro has 9 total speakers with 4 full range, 3 tweeters, and 2 woofers. So you add the additional tweeters and an extra full range speaker on the Soundbar Pro. So again, they both do sound really good, but you get a much higher profile, more cinematic experience out of the Stream TV Soundbar Pro. And taking a look at design in my home theater setup, they both look great. Very minimal, very sleek design. I have to say the Stream TV Soundbar Pro, in my opinion, does look better, just a little bit more premium overall, but the Stream TV Soundbar also has a great look to it. And as promised, a quick look at those touch controls that the Soundbar Pro has. So a little bit different of a style compared to the Soundbar, with it being more of a display. They light up when you press them. And remember, on top of that 4K Ultra HD streaming, you get seamless integration with your external video devices like Blu-ray or the latest gaming systems. And these HDMI ports are HDMI 2.1, so you can take full advantage of that technology within the soundbar. And I found while gaming, really no lag whatsoever, no difference connecting to the soundbar versus just directly into the TV. Taking a closer look at that voice remote, very comfortable to hold, very easy to navigate through. You can use your voice to access the Google Assistant to ask it different things. Maybe you want to check the weather, it will show it on the screen, or you can jump into various apps, jump into different shows, or search for shows or movies. And also built into both of these soundbars is a really useful Find My Remote feature. You just press a button on the soundbar and it will ping the remote. The remote will actually start making a noise so that in case it's in the couch cushions, you'll be able to find it. And don't forget, both of these soundbars have Chromecast built in, so you can just cast your content straight from your mobile device, your laptops, any device that supports Chromecast. So overall, both of these soundbars offer an easy to set up, easy to use, all-in-one home theater experience based on Stream TV, and both have audio tuned by Bang & Olufsen. I really like having that 4K streaming content with all of those apps, along with the ability to change inputs to my different video devices all in one place and all controlled by the one remote that comes with the Stream TV Soundbar and Soundbar Pro. So the Stream TV Soundbar is a great option to upgrade your home theater, but if you're looking for a more premium home theater experience with better sound, Bang & Olufsen design, and the ability to wall mount, the Stream TV Soundbar Pro is also a great option. And Verizon also has a Buy More, Save More event going on. So through the end of the year, you can get a discount when purchasing qualifying accessories from Verizon, all the way up to 40% off. I can link to that down below. So that's everything I want to talk about for now with the Stream TV Soundbar and Soundbar Pro from Verizon. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. Again, I will link to everything down in the description below. Be sure to drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Be sure to subscribe as well. A lot more content coming soon. And as always, thanks for watching.